At WinsMor Garage Door Company, garage doors are a big deal. Our residential doors are attractive, made from quality materials, and come in a variety of colors. We carry commercial doors that are strong and made to withstand heavy use. WinsMor Garage Door Company has a full-service repair department for all types of garage doors and electric garage door openers, both residential and commercial, including preventative maintenance programs to fit every company's budget. So call us today or come by our showroom. And remember, everyone wins at WinsMor.